stop scrolling. It is time for your wine word of the day, which is terroir. Now, if you've ever been wine tasting before, you've probably heard someone refer to a wine's terroir when they're trying to describe it. But what does that actually mean? So terroir is a French term that refers to all of the environmental factors that influence how a grape grows in the vineyard and the wine that it creates. It's basically a complete package of all the natural conditions that make a wine region unique. So this mainly includes the climate, the soil, topography, and geography of the region. So climate includes things like temperature, sunshine, rainfall, and wind patterns, which ultimately affect how the grapes ripen, and it controls the sugar and acidity of the grape. Then there's soil composition, which means you have different types of soils such as limestone or clay, which can really influence the structure and flavor profile of your wine. And there's topography, which refers to the elevation or slope of the vineyard, as well as their sunshine exposure. So vineyards at a higher elevation tend to be cooler, so that preserves the acidity in a grape. And vineyards that are south-facing versus north-facing tend to be much riper because one gets more sun exposure while other gets more shadow exposure. And lastly, there's the geography of the vineyard, which refers to its proximity to water or mountains. And this is great because it moderates the temperature of the vineyards and helps protect the vines from extreme weather fluctuations. So terroir is really important because it influences the way a wine tastes, and it explains why a Pinot Noir from Burgundy, France tastes completely different from a Pinot Noir from the Willamette Valley in Oregon.